Good day everyone, I'm John Devon Tumihik and I'm going to present to you our objectives. Our first objective is to turn seawater into fresh drinking water because in some parts in the Philippines, water shortage is becoming a problem, especially in the cities, namely Metro Manila. Another is to have an easy access to fresh water. Our proposed product is a portable desalination system, making it easier to carry and desalinate water. And lastly is to make a low-cost and eco-friendly desalination equipment. Existing desalination system is expensive for it undergoes numerous processes before getting the byproduct, which is the fresh water. It is eco-friendly simply because it uses solar energy to make it operate, unlike other desalination system that it uses a lot of energy and produces waste that can harm our environment.
The cornerstone and vision of our research is to essentially be able to provide an easily accessible solution to potable water at an economically low price. Readily consumable sources of potable water can be often hard to find, especially for the underprivileged communities without proper resources nor immediate access in their surrounding localities. One can then observe that, due to their circumstances, they would even resort to consuming contaminated or saline water, which can be a major cause to the detriment of their health. It is because of this that we want to be able to innovate an easily transportable desalinating and purifying machine at a much lower cost in comparison to the industry standard. Our product will serve as an effective aid to those impoverished communities neighboring natural bodies of water, thus partially relieving them with their efforts in obtaining a basic life-sustaining commodity. We are different wherein we are striving to innovate a device which is not widely manufactured nor prevalent in the market, since often desalinating and purifying machines are built for much larger scales. The major obstacle we face today, and why we come to you, is because we understand that the costing for distribution and manufacturing of our product would leave us with a much higher retail price than our market has the means for. So we humbly come to you, and similarly other major nonprofit organizations as well, with hopes that we can form an arrangement to consolidate donations and raise awareness in order to fund the production of our product. As previously introduced, our product is a portably designed desalinating and purifying machine. Through the intake valve, we draw water into the primary tank unit, where it will be boiled and treated in order to meet the regulated drinking quality standards. The boiling process ensures that the saline content in the water is separated and removed, while the treatment kills the remaining microbacteria. After this process, it then proceeds to the storage tank unit, where the clean water is stored for ready access through a feeding pipe. The purifying process completion, charge percentage, along with other similar information can be found on the display through the LCD screen on the front. We have also equipped our devices with all-terrain wheels as well as solar panels, as it is the primary source of power. The energy collected by the solar panel will also be stored in the battery.
I am Angelica Manzon and I will talk about the nature of the product. The desalination process. The process of desalination requires great thermal and mechanical energy, which costs a lot and can sometimes have negative effects to our society and environment. Renewable energy is now considered as a replacement because it is free and readily available. This is economically viable and environmentally friendly because it lowers the energy demand, which can now be replaced by solar energy. So what is solar desalination? Desalination is the process of turning brackish or seawater into potable water through the process of reverse osmosis. This solar desalination product is a direct process that is a combination of solar energy, collection, and desalination in one process to produce potable water. The product will be portable and easy to transport. It will consist of two tubes, an inlet tube that will have a first filter for bigger objects and another filter near the desalination system to filter the finer objects, and an outlet tube for the product output. Solar energy will be used for the desalination process that will happen inside and turn brackish or seawater into potable water.
We move on now guys to the important parts of our equipment. The first one is the semi-permeable membranes that are used to filter large molecules such as dissolved salt and other impurities such as bacteria. Biosand filter is ready to ensure the water quality before drinking. Next one is the solar absorber. It will be the origin of our energy that will be used in running the equipment. And lastly, The battery bank is necessary because it will be used to cope up with the fluctuation of the sun by passing clouds.
The portable desalination system has 7 parts, total of $450. Here is the breakdown of the given costs. The high-efficiency solar panel ranges from $183 to $200 per piece. The water collector costs $153. As for the LCD display, it costs about $55.99. The heavy-duty rug handle costs around $26 a piece, and since the system requires 2, that makes it a total of $53.99. The wheels also require 2 pieces which cost $10.98 per piece for a total of $29.96. The 6th part, which is the foldable legs, needed 2 pieces for the system as well. That costs $15.99 per piece for a total of $31.98. And for the last part, the compact battery to power the system costs $50. Though at least one battery is needed to power the whole system to run at optimum power.
Computation of price of our product. Our product has a boiling unit, solar panel, LCD display, battery, all-terrain wheels, and feed water pipe. One piece of high-efficiency solar panels costs 9,277.82 pesos. One piece of rainwater collectors costs 7,744.17 pesos. One piece of LCD displays costs 2,833.96 pesos, and one piece of batteries costs 2,515.65 pesos. And two pieces of wheels cost 1,111.52 pesos. Two pieces of foldable legs cost 1,617.68 pesos. And lastly, two pieces of heavy-duty rag handle cost 2,732.22 pesos. So all in all, the total price of our product is 27,833.02 pesos.
I am Jillian Reyes and I will be discussing on why our product should be chosen. As previously mentioned, our product, which is the portable solar-powered desalination system, will help solve water scarcity using clean renewable energy. The main question is, why should our product be sold? And to answer that, I will be presenting its advantages and how it will benefit the company. We wanted our product to be consumer-friendly. To target the general market, therefore, we must present the product in an attractive manner. We also aim to create a product where the customer would appreciate its practicality and convenience. As stated before, the device will be using a solar panel since the world is now leaning to clean renewable sources because of the climate change. There are no chemicals needed other than the raw material. Lastly, our product costs less than usual desalination systems. If the company decides to choose this product, we will be the first to produce and supply this portable device in our country. With this, there will be less competitions in the market. Philippines, being an archipelago, communities can easily access and obtain the raw material for this device. Specifically, those communities without easy access to water lines can now have potable water. The global water desalination market could reach $26.81 billion by 2025 due to increasing demand from expanding populations, growing industrialization, as well as the accelerating rate of depletion of groundwater and freshwater sources, according to Hexa Research. Hence, the future will soon be using desalination systems, and it will be great if the company invests from it early on.